everyone, and welcome back. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be unboxing the Lashybox subscription for the month of February. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this month's Lashybox, stay tuned. For those of you who are not familiar with Lashybox, it is a monthly lash subscription where you receive 3 to 4 pair of eyelashes each month and some beauty tools for $13.99. Now, they do offer other subscriptions as well. They offer the Lashybox Mini, where for $9.99 you receive 2 to 3 pair of lashes. And then they have the Drama Box, where you receive 3 to 4 pairs of dramatic lashes for $12.99. And then they have the Soft Glam Box, where you receive 3 to 5 pairs of more natural looking lashes for $12.99. Now with that said, let's go ahead and dive into this month's box. When you receive Lashybox, it comes in a pretty pink box like this with eyelashes all over the front. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. Now I did open this earlier because I wanted to get prices for you, so I opened it to get the prices of each of the items in the box. So the first item I'm pulling out of the box is a pair of lashes from Candy Lashes, and it looks like they're in the style Pop Rocks. The packaging on that is absolutely adorable. Very, very pretty. And these are definitely, you can see that, definitely more dramatic, at least to me they're dramatic, but they're very nice. The decoration on this packaging looks like the conversation hearts that they always sell around Valentine's Day. Very, very cute. And let me see. The price of the Candy Lashes is $5.99. The next pair of lashes I'm pulling out of the box are Lashybox lashes. They're 3D silk lashes in the style Sweetheart. And that's what that looks like. The packaging is absolutely adorable. The silver with the red hearts, so pretty. Now these are definitely some lashes that I could see myself wearing. I really like these. They look more glamorous with the little flare and kind of wispy looking, so they're very, very cute. I couldn't find the exact style of these lashes on their website, but all of the other 3D lashes were $9.99, so we're going to go ahead and say these are $9.99. The next pair I'm pulling out is also from Lashybox, and they're 3D silk lashes again, and these are in the style First Date. Again, very, very pretty, glamorous looking lashes. I absolutely love these. And I also could not find this exact style, so again, since the others are $9.99, we're going to say this is $9.99 as well. The last pair of lashes in the box this month are from Ruby Made Lashes. And these are very nice as well. All the lashes that they sent are really nice. Like, these aren't as dramatic as some, but I absolutely love them. I love lashes that look really glamorous, really flirty. And these are in the style Ruby Made 3D-06. And these lashes retail for $8.50. They've also included inside the box a small tube of lash glue there in the color black. I like that they included the lash glue because so many times you have lashes and then you can't find your glue. So this is definitely a nice to have. You can sit this right on your desk. And the last item in the box for this month is a palette. And it is the Tropics 2 palette from Okalon Cosmetics. I had never heard of them. I did try to look this up, and I saw the item on Okalon's site, but it did not have a price. But I did see it on another website for $12.99, so I'm not sure if that pricing is correct. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. The packaging is beautiful. And then when you open it up, that is what it looks like. This palette is absolutely gorgeous, but I'm not going to swatch it because this reminds me of the NYX Off Tropic palette. I forget which one it is, but there's one that is almost a dead ringer for this. The colors are almost identical throughout the palette. So I know I have that somewhere, so I really don't want to swatch this. I am going to put this in an upcoming giveaway, so be looking out for that. Alright guys, so that was everything inside of this month's Lashybox. Let me know if you received Lashybox, and if you do, let me know what you thought about this month's box down in the description box below. If you don't receive Lashybox but you'd like some more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link to their website down in the description box below. But anyway guys, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. If you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like before you leave, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.